In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Twitter app in the quickest way possible using your browser. This is a really simple method, and it works great if you want Twitter installed on your device without searching through extra menus. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to the Twitter website. Once the page loads, look at the right side of your browser's address bar. You should see an icon that looks like a monitor with a downward arrow. That icon is the install option for the app version of Twitter. When you see it, go ahead and click install. Your browser will then begin the process of adding Twitter to your device. In just a moment, the app will be installed and ready to use like a regular app on your computer or supported device. This is a fast and easy way to download Twitter without needing to do anything complicated, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Twitter app. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.